This doesn't look like a TV. It looks like art hanging on your wall. And that's exactly the point of the Samsung The Frame Pro. Samsung claims this TV can transform your living room into an art gallery when you're not watching Netflix. But after spending time with it, I realized there's something about this TV that most ads don't really tell you. So the big question is this the perfect lifestyle TV or just a very expensive picture frame? The Samsung The Frame Pro product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is Samsung's premium art TV, the Frame Pro, first introduced around 2025 and continuing into the 2026 lineup. It's designed for people who want their TV to blend into their home decor instead of dominating it. Unlike traditional TVs, the Frame Pro doubles as a digital art display when it's idle. It uses a Neo QLED 4K panel with a matte anti-reflection finish and a 144Hz refresh rate for smoother motion. The big upgrade here is the wireless One Connect box, which lets you plug in all your devices, consoles, streaming boxes, everything, without running cables directly to the TV. The Samsung The Frame Pro Performance. The first thing you notice is the Neo QLED display, which uses mini LED backlighting for better brightness and contrast. Movies look sharp, colors pop, and HDR content really stands out. Watching something like a 4K movie or sports game feels crisp and immersive. And the 144Hz refresh rate means motion is super smooth, especially if you're gaming on a PC or a next-gen console. I tried everything from streaming movies to playing fast-paced games, and the performance stayed snappy. Samsung's NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor also helps upscale lower-resolution content to 4K, which is great if you're watching older shows or YouTube videos. But here's the interesting part, the matte screen. It drastically reduces reflections, which is awesome in bright living rooms. Instead of seeing your windows reflected like a mirror, you mostly see the image. But the trade-off? Colors can look slightly less vibrant compared to glossy OLED screens. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that make this TV unique. 1. Art mode. This is the headline feature. When the TV is off, it displays artwork instead of a black screen. You can access thousands of pieces from Samsung's art store, from Monet to Van Gogh, or upload your own photos. The matte display actually makes the images look surprisingly close to real canvas. 2. Wireless One Connect box. This might be my favorite upgrade. All your HDMI ports live in a separate box that connects wirelessly to the TV from up to about 30 feet away. That means cleaner cable management and a much more minimal wall setup. 3. Smart sensors. The TV includes motion and brightness sensors. If someone walks into the room, the art display turns on automatically, and it adjusts brightness depending on the lighting. It's a small feature, but it really sells the illusion of a living art piece. Design and build. Aesthetically, Samsung absolutely nailed it. The Frame Pro is designed to sit flush against the wall, like an actual picture frame. It even supports custom magnetic bezels, so you can change the look to match your decor. And the matte screen texture also helps complete that illusion of a framed artwork rather than a glowing TV panel. And because most connections go through the wireless One Connect box, the TV itself only needs a power cable. That makes installation much cleaner. Honestly, if you care about interior design, this is one of the few TVs that actually enhances the room instead of dominating it. Pros. Stunning art mode that truly looks like framed artwork. Bright Neo QLED 4K display with smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Wireless One Connect box for a clean, cable-free setup. Cons. Expensive compared to other TVs with better picture quality. Art Store requires a subscription for many artworks. Final verdict. So, who is the Samsung The Frame Pro really for? If you're someone who hates the look of a giant TV on your wall and wants your living room to feel more like a gallery, this is honestly one of the coolest TVs you can buy. The design is unmatched, art mode is genuinely impressive, and the wireless connectivity makes installation incredibly clean. But if your top priority is pure picture quality for movies and gaming, there are other TVs like high-end OLEDs that might give you better contrast for the same price. So here's the bottom line. If you care about style, design, and smart home aesthetics, this is a fantastic choice. If you just want the best image quality per dollar, there are better options. The Frame Pro isn't just a TV.